Axie Infinity seems to be on everyone's radar right now as both an exciting new game and potentially a way to make lots of money very quickly. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why I have decided to not jump into the Axie Infinity bandwagon for now. My name is Jason and welcome to Better Today, a place where young leaders like you come for work-life motivation and inspiration. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. It helps the channel grow and I really appreciate it. Make sure to stay until the end of this video and remember to answer today's question of the day. Let's talk about Axie Infinity. The game, developed by Vietnamese studio Sky Mavis, or is it Sky Mavis, is spreading like wildfire all over the internet as a, quote, Pokemon-inspired universe where anyone can earn tokens through skilled gameplay and contributions to the ecosystem, end quote. Players can do a few things like battling, breeding, and trading digital pets called Axies, which are NFTs. NFTs and cryptocurrencies are not exactly topics that I am well versed on, so I'm going to leave you guys a link or several links in the description below so you can learn more about them. Over the last few weeks, I've read up on a ton of articles, followed noted authorities on crypto and cryptocurrencies, and joined calls and meetings on Axie Infinity. On the surface, it looks like a fantastic investment, and it looks like something that I personally would be interested in. But the thing is, after all the information that I've gathered and after everything that I've learned, I ultimately decided to not get into it and buy my own Axie team. Here's why. First and foremost, it has a really high cost of entry. Owning a team, and not even a great one of that, involves buying 3 of these Axies. And these Axies cost a hell of a lot of money. For example, I've been offered teams ranging from 150,000 Philippine pesos to nearly 300,000 Philippine pesos. Now, there is a profit-sharing model where you can get scholars to play for you. Those little details might be a bit too much to explain in this video, so I'll also leave some links in the video description below. For many of my friends and acquaintances who have put in a lot of money into Axie Infinity, they're banking on the fact that the prices are on the way up. The plan is pretty much like any other investment products. You buy when it's low, and hopefully you can sell when it's high. It sounds really good on paper, but you've got to keep something in mind. The initial cost is really high for most people, and there's absolutely no guarantee you'll make back what you think you will in the time you think you will. I'm personally just not that ready to throw down that amount of money for something that I don't have a lot of knowledge on. The second reason why I'm holding off on investing on Axie Infinity right now is because it's an extremely volatile type of investment. As with many things that involve cryptocurrencies, swings are the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. The crypto world is fast-paced and things can change for the craziest of reasons. Just to illustrate the point, the price of a certain cryptocurrency seems to be hugely affected depending on what a certain CEO says from one day to another. With this volatility, I'm just worried that a new or an exciting new game or player will come in sooner than you think and topple Axie Infinity off its perch. The third and last reason is that I've become aware that I am a conservative type of investor. To be perfectly honest, the returns on investment that Axie Infinity seems to give many people, it's very attractive to me. If you've followed my channel for a while, you'd know that I'm all for growing your savings and securing or increasing your financial security. But that's the thing. Given my limited knowledge on cryptocurrency and my preference for more stable, proven, and relatively safer investments like real estate and stocks, I recognize that I'm not prepared to lose any sort of money that I put in on Axie Infinity. In the end, this last reason is the main reason for me. I am not as much of a risk taker as many of my friends. And maybe you're also conservative like me. I think there's nothing wrong with that. If a lot of other people make good money from Axie Infinity, then I'm happy for them. We all deserve to have investments that work for us. And that could be in the form of properties or cute little Axies. Of course, I am not closing the door completely on Axie Infinity or other cryptocurrencies. I have small amounts in other cryptocurrencies, but they're small enough that if they crashed and burned, I wouldn't lose too much sleep over them. The important thing is to not feel like you're missing out. If it's not for you, it's not for you. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, hit that like button and remember to subscribe. Today's question of the day is, have you invested in Axie Infinity? If you have, what is the biggest tip that you can give conservative investors like me? Let me know in the comments below. I want to learn from you. Thank you for watching. I'm Jason, and may you invest your money better today.